Online retailers are constantly looking to ensure their customers' satisfaction that's achieved by delivering orders on time. To that end, it's not only important to manage shipments correctly, it's also essential to carry out certain preliminary warehouse tasks properly, such as monitoring of the multiple SKUs in stock, synchronization with the online catalogue, management with one or more e-commerce platforms or marketplaces depending on business needs. Marketplaces and e-commerce platforms integration, the module featured by Mecalux's easy WMS warehouse management system, is charged with automating all these tasks. Once the customer has placed the order via one of the sales platforms, this module automates communication with the warehouse so that the order is prepared immediately and dispatched as soon as possible. In this information exchange, order details are sent and stock levels of the product ordered are updated, as is the catalogue on the different sales platforms. Moreover, this module coordinates with other easy WMS modules, such as multi-carrier shipping software, which generates tracking numbers for shipments. The Marketplaces module then sends this code to customers through the sales platform where the purchase was made. This module provides easy WMS with new functionalities that enable online retailers to adapt to an increasingly demanding market, ensuring automated communication between the warehouse and platform, elimination of errors in end-to-end order management, synchronization of orders, catalogue and stock between warehouses and platforms, elimination of unnecessary tasks that reduce the productive potential of staff. Mecalux has over 50 years of experience in the logistics sector. The thousands of projects it's implemented comprise innovative solutions that meet the needs of the market.